I built this, but I did not write a single line of code. I didn't even drag or drop a single block. If you are still manually building your AI apps, you are just wasting your life. All those revolutionary visual builders like Lovable, N8N platform where you will create a workflow to generate these UGC images. You have to connect different APIs, you have to write JSON, you have to connect different nodes. All those platforms are obsolete now because they are all making you do more work. They are just making you to connect the dots, and they just been replaced by this tool. So this is a prompt to app generator. You don't build, you describe, you don't code, you talk. You have conversation with AI and it builds the app for you. It generates the code, it designs the UI, and it debugs. The most insane part is it debugs itself. You want proof? I'm going to build my app UGC Virtual Try-On from a completely blank screen right now. I just have to tell AI few sentences what I wanted to achieve, then it is going to do the job for. Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Santosh. So here we are on Google. So I will just type the tool here, Google AI Studio, and I'll just click enter. You will click the first link and you will be landed onto this page. I just wanted to switch my account. You can use any Google account that you wanted to sign up or sign in this AI Studio. So here you will see Vibe Code Gen AI enabled apps in build. You have to just click this and you see describe your idea area here where there is no code, no nodes, just a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. I am going to describe my entire app. Watch this. I'll just click on speech to text button and I'm going to describe my app that I wanted to build. Create a new app called UGC Virtual Try-On. It needs a clean, modern, dark mode UI. At the top, add a large title called UGC Virtual Try-On. Below that, I need two image upload boxes side by side, one labeled with upload person image and the other one with upload clothing image. Below both of them, add a big bright blue generate UCG image button. When I click that button, use an AI model which is Nano Banana to realistically place the clothing item onto the person. Finally, display the finished image below the button and add a download image button right under it. So I have just given my idea here what I wanted to build. So let's see what prompt it have taken. Create a new app. So this is what we said, this is what we said. So finally display download email button right under it. So yeah, now we just have to click on build. Let's see how much time it takes to create this app. I'll just click on build and you see there it is. Looking at that, it is thinking now. It is still thinking, planning, structuring the UI components, exploring the app gallery, outlining the core logic, core functionality, UI components. Now it will start building HTML, CSS, JavaScript logic, all of that from my one prompt. So it thought for 29 seconds. You see, it started creating index.html, app.tx. So it will now it started building our app. Let's see how much time it will take to build our app. Hopefully it should be done under 5 minutes. So it's now started creating components, image uploader. So he's now creating the services file for Gemini service. I think it will be using Nano Banana model. I think it has created. So you see, it is less than 2 minutes. I think it have understood our prompt and it has created this app for us, where you see UGC Virtual Try-On and you see upload person image, you see upload clothing image. Let's see how this app is going to work. So let me upload a person image. So let me view this image again. So let me view a different suit here. So I've given a person image and I've given a clothing image. Let me click on generate UCG image. In case if it runs into an error, we can debug, we can chat here to resolve that errors. Let's see how much time it takes to generate image. I see it generated this image. You see it maintained the same background and it maintained the same facial expressions, and just it has replaced that clothing. So you can click on download image and your image is downloaded here. And let's try with another one. So let me refresh this and I will upload an image. Let me view other image this time. I will upload another suit here. Now let me click on generate UCG image. Let's see how much time it will take. So we can still refine this app. You see how good it has created. Just I have given a photo, person who is sitting and a clothing image, and it have perfectly created, still maintain the same background, and it have created this image. You can download this image and we can still refine this app. So let us still refine, so that way you know how can you debug this app. Let's try one refinement. The UI is a bit basic. Can you add a subtle hover animation to the generate UCG image button and put a thin white border around the final image? So I've given it some basic enhancement. So let's see whether it is going to create that. So now it started thinking. I think it have done. So let me upload an image. Let me give some different clothing and let me generate an image. And we also said we need a white. So you see the border coming around the image, light white white border around the final generated image. So we can add one more enhancement. How many enhancements if you want to add, you can add that many enhancements. So I can say, so the final image output background should be in a form of high-tech, where it should match the person face and the suit. You can use nice background images, so no need to use the exact background image when we are uploading a person picture. You can use any background image that best suits the person. So I have just given this enhancement. Let's see how it is going to create. So let me upload the same image. Let me view a different. You see this button also changed. The glowing thing comes here for this button. So now less than 10 seconds you should be seeing the image. You see the background. So it has changed the background. So you can enhance okay, this app at whatever level you want to enhance. We just brought this app into existence, and a app that works, an app that I can deploy right now. So here you can save this app so that we can frequently use this app to generate the UCG image. You can download this app, you can connect with your GitHub, or you can deploy this app as well, and you can share this app with others as well. So you can publish your app. If you just enable this, you can publish your app as well. Okay, you can share your app to others. So this is vibe coding. This is the new standard. While everyone is still stuck learning complex frameworks or fumbling the clunky drag and drop builders, Google just handed us a tool where the only skill you need is knowing what you want. Okay, you are no longer a builder, you are an architect, you are a visionary. The AI is your new engineering team in this era. You are a designer, you are a QA, and you are an architect all in one. So I have created using my app. So how good the backgrounds you see here. So this is how you will get the background. This is how you can enhance your app. Right now we are getting some funky backgrounds here in this. You can better enhance this app to get the right backgrounds that you will be interested in. So my challenge to you in this: start building, start prompting. The link to Google AI Studio will be in the description. Go get access. Go have your first conversation with Vibe. Build the app you have been thinking about for 6 months tonight. If this video just blew your mind, hit that subscribe button because this technology changes everything. So I will just show another app and we can end this video. So I have created another app which is a local dish discovery. So we can rename this app. This is not actually a local dish discovery, local restaurants discovery. Okay, so I have built this app. You have a text mode and you have a voice mode. I can do a conversation with this app as well to find the restaurants near. So get me good non-veg restaurants near some pin code. I will give like 560035 within 10 kilometers radius. So I've just given this and I'll just click on search. You see the magic. So it is going to bring you the best restaurants near to your pin code within this 10 kilometers radius. Let's see what kind of restaurant, and you will also see the maps. Okay, you can just click on that restaurant and it will take you there. If you see here, there are different non-veg restaurants which it have pulled for you. So if I click on this view on maps, so it will take me to that maps. Okay, I can just give my current location and I just click on this directions. If I give my current location, it will show the distance between this restaurant. And here in summary you will see the restaurant rating, okay, and how many reviews and the varieties of dishes you get there and the exact address and approximately 3.7 kilometers away and the distance as well. So you get the summary here of the top restaurants and you also get these details here. Okay, the link to the map of these restaurants. So this level of apps you can build using Google AI Studio. Once again, thank you everyone for watching this video.